Hello everyone. I am really very excited to be live here tonight. This afternoon. Real quick, I'm here. My little son is taking nap, and my older son did not take nap. So I'm here finally to do a real quick opportunity live. And I am really very hi Hamida. I am really very excited and happy to be live here and talk to you guys about the journey of my pharmacy. First of all, I'd like to tell you that my name is Charmaine and I am a pharmacy beauty influencer. So I wanted to tell you about my story, how I started in a direct selling company a year ago, almost last year in May. Actually, I joined another direct selling company, and before I joined, I actually wanted to become something already. To become something since from childhood, I have seen hardships. Because when I was 9 years old, my dad passed away, and however, we had a good support from my family, but still, you have to work, right, for living. So my mom started working as a being a single, and then how she brought us here in USA, and how she made her own business and become an entrepreneur. So by looking at her, I have a good support from my mom and my husband as well. But I really wanted to do something like looking at my mom. So I started being, so I was like, first of all, I did my education in Bachelor of Arts. And being a teacher, I just wanted to do something than being a teacher. Which interested me more, even more, that I would love to become. So then I was thinking, what should I do? What should I do to do something to become? So then I thought, oh, I love makeup. So I'm just gonna go ahead and become a makeup artist. So I did my join my professional makeup course, and then after that, and then this COVID happened. So then I got an opportunity for one of those direct selling companies that I joined last year. So I am in this marketing since last year. So I have a good experience by now. And truly, I had a really good training, and I'm becoming independent, and I'm so confident, and I'm completely changed now. Because the reason I joined, first of all, I just joined it. So I just joined it for another reason, and then when I became serious, I realized that the last company that I joined was kind of too expensive for me to sell. However, the products were good, some were okay. But then it's been 3 months I joined pharmacy, but I don't know. I did become confident. I did become a different person than I was, like a better person. But then I got into depression being in that company because of being so expensive and not easy to sell. As you know, I know I haven't worked that much since I had a good support of my mom. But then, you go, when you start working, you do something, you do learn from your experiences. So I came into depression, and I was so much in stress. But yet I didn't want it to give up. I didn't want it to give up at all. So then I was like, okay, I'll take a break for a few days, and then I'll come back. And that's what I always do sometimes. But then I came up to find out, I got to know about pharmacy, and guessed, thank you, Saya, guessed who took, well, I already said it, but in December, it's the talk of, I remember the time in December last year, it's March now, I got into a little depression and stress, and guess what took me out of my depression? What transformed me? What changed me? You know which company? It's the pharmacy. It's the pharmacy company who took me out of my depression, of my stress, because I worked, and then when I became serious in another company, I worked so hard. But yet I felt like I was not getting a deserving salary that I should get, right? I found out about pharmacy. I joined the pharmacy. Not only I love the compensation plan of them, but I was blown away from their products when I started using it, because it was just my first time experience, and I thought only one products from company works good. It's I had a habit of using and testing different kind of products. So then I was like, maybe I should give a chance to another company, because it's not important that only from one brand it should work. Only if it's expensive it should work. But let me give it a try. So I tried pharmacy products. I was blown away, and I was like, it's so affordable. Wow. And so they are very affordable, and the pharmacy products, let me say that it was founded by Dr. C. Tuna 71 years ago. He worked in pharmacy, and then he started making good skincare products and wanted to put it in hands of women. And then the other products were added: cosmetics, hair care, and a lot of things. And later on, they named the pharmacy company as Pharmasi, and it started off working in pharmacy. He was not a businessman, anything. He was just a doctor who wanted to make a good skincare and put it in hands of women. So we have, whatever the products that we have is all gluten free, cruelty free, and we meet European standards. We ban more than 1,300 ingredients. So we ban more than 1,300 ingredients that are harmful. So basically our products are toxic free ingredients, and all gluten free, vegan, and lots of benefits that you can find from our products. And I want to tell you that they are very affordable, and they are affordable. The reason is because we have a ground floor opportunity. We are in-house. All our factories and laboratories, we have our laboratories and factories. Everything we do is in-house, from formulation to manufacturing, from wrapping, from wrapping to a plastic or a bubble wrapping or packaging. Everything we do is in-house. That's why it is very affordable, because we don't have someone in middle to do this extra work. Basically, no middle company, no middleman do extra work for us. So that cost us the money, and that's why we are affordable. So I forgot to bring my box that I got. So let me go ahead and bring right here. So I was saying that, so I did my introduced about pharmacy. So now I want to tell you that pharmacy has completely changed my life. It's transformed my life. Not only I've become very confident, very positive, but it doesn't only helps solve any issues of my skin, but it does helps me pay very well than any other company would do, because I'll tell you details on that. What I wanted to say is that I forgot. Sometimes there are so many things in your mind that what you want to say is that you forget, and then you get distracted too as well. So yes, so I was blown away the product, and even I was blown away when I heard their compensation plan, because they pay you really, because I worked hard and I was not getting deserving money in another company. So I was like, I should get deserving money, and as well as the good quality products. So I decided to join to gain more knowledge, to learn, to grow, and help others grow as well. And of course, for money too, because when you work too hard, you need a deserving money. So so this is the all you have to do is you start off in this business, direct selling business, just for $19.99. And another company, I had to pay like $49 to start my business, and every year you have to pay for renewing. And of course, and to be honest, I was told that I would get only 35% commission, but anyways, but it was not that thing. So you start off with $19.99 only, and you get your own website for free. You don't have to renew it every time. You don't have to pay for renewing your website. $19.99, all you pay is $19.99 to start your business. And for $19.99 you get this whole box, and you get lots of samples. Okay, so I used all of my samples. I ordered more samples, so I can show you sample so to give you idea. So these are the samples. They look like these, and you get lots of these extras I ordered. So you get lots of samples like these, and you get a pharmacy catalogs, and you get the skincare guide. It tells you everything from skincare, every detail, for which it's in Spanish and it's in English as well. So okay, so yes, so it gives you every details, what skincare is what for. Skincare guide, all skincare, age reversist, Dr. C Tuna Kalanjala, baby products, hair care, foot care, foot care, charcoal, aloe, and Dr. C Tuna. So this is the whole guide that you have. Everything is in there. Okay, so that's the one that you get. And you get color matching to help your clients color match their lip color that they want, any mascaras, all the details in there. What is it for? Very informative. See, very informative. I didn't even get that from my another company. Like, I'm really very satisfied. Hi Munira, hi Sanima, hi Seher, hi Bilkis. See, all those foundations that we have, 6 types of foundation we have. Stay Matte for oily skin, VFX Pro, and CC cream, BB cream. VFX Pro is one of my favorite powder. All the details in there you get. 6 types of the mascaras, different type of mascaras based on the needs of clients, customers, all of those. Lots of informative you get, and yes, there's some information on nails products as well. And you get lots of catalogs, and you do get the opportunity earn well guide. So I have some samples left right here. I just left it for me, and I had these, and you also get these cute pouches lipsticks, and only one left because I used those, otherwise I just gave it away. Everything, all those you get just for $19.99. okay, you start with that. There's the optional packages. You don't have to get those. It's just those. One of those is $50 and other ones are $125. So you just start from $19.99, and what you get is you get 50% discount. You get 50% discount for yourself. You get 50% commission. You get 3 to 25% bonuses, so you can get up till 75% commission. Yes, it's shocking surprise, right? I was like blown away. I mean, I'm like, oh wow, really? So I was really happy, and I kind of had confidence in me, because when I joined, I kind of searched it too. But when I signed up, I just like took my 125 kits, and I knew it because it will work, because I used to try a lot of products because I knew that they will work. So I did had a belief in me that I am joining a right company, and now I realized that yes, I did made a right decision. My life is completely changed after taking this decision, because not only they give you very affordable quality, high quality products to use for yourself, to sell, and you get a really good commission. For me, being at home with 2 kids, if I can do, then why not you? So, and also you get free trainings, and you get free trainings, free trips, and I have a big supportive team with me, and yes, all those, and lots of information if you are interested to join with me, because I really think that it completely changed my life, and I love to help anyone in their skin needs, makeup or hair care. If you need anything, if you have any issues, I can definitely help you solve that. You can become my customer, or if you want to join with me and grow with me in my team, I can help you grow as well with me. We have lots of great trainings, and most of all, most importantly, I wanted to announce this good news that I already have 3 people joining me in the pharmacy event that we are having. They give you a training. It's just hi Noreen, so it doesn't cost a lot, and I actually I can just get you the tickets from there. It's no big issue. So it's happening on Dallas on April 10th from 11 to 2 p.m. It's Saturday. So if you want to know more about this opportunity, you can definitely join with me in Dallas. I live in Houston. I'm driving there. One person is coming with me. If you want to drive with me there from Houston, you are most welcome with me to join over there. Or if you live in Dallas and US, you can join from there, or from anywhere. If you want to travel and join, and you want to know more about opportunities, you want to go see, look for yourself, you don't want to miss this, because it's completely life-changing decision. And I can tell you that I am very proud, and I am really happy that I made a right time, right decision. I am very proud to be a pharmacy beauty influencer. So just direct message me if you like to become a beauty influencer like me. It's anybody can become. And if you are living at home, if you are a housewife like me, you can become an entrepreneur being at home with kids, or if you're working somewhere else as a side business. We have a lot of time in a day. We have 18 hours. You just need 1 hour per day to do this business. That's it. And if you're working somewhere else and you want to also do another side business, take a chance, take opportunity, you can do that. Or if you're living just home, being a mama, you can do that as well, like me, 2 kids. Anybody can do, man, woman, anybody. So either you can become my customer, or you can join with me, and I welcome you to my team. And I am growing rapidly, and I'm sure I'm happy, and I'm excited for you to join with me. So let's grow together with me. And thank you so much everyone for joining me and give me love and support. And yes, waiting for your message, and can't wait for you to grow as well. I'm really happy. Yes, because I work so hard, and I'm getting deserving money, up to 75% commission, with great products. Great. All right, so yes, let me know. Thank you once again for everyone joining me. Let's grow together with me. Y'all have a nice one. Bye.